Story time! Runaway Train. Written by Jane Willis. This is the tale of Little Kay. She waited with Mr. and Mrs. Gray. She waited at the railway to go away on holiday. The train she was waited for was late. The train was late. She had to wait. It came at 8. Hooray! Hooray! I am on my way, said Kay. I'm off on holiday. But it's sad to say Kay was not on her way. The train ran down the railway. It ran and ran away. That is my stop, said Kay. Go back. But the train ran down the track. I will miss my holiday. Stop the train, said Little Kay. Stop right now, said Mr. Gray. It did not stop. It ran away. This will not do, said Mrs. Gray. So, Kay went to tell the man to stop the train, and off she ran. The man had made a big mistake. He did not see there was a break. Let me in, said Little Kay. Stop the train! Stop! I say! There was no man. There was an ape. He was a big gorilla shape. Get out of the way. Kay made the train stop. Hooray! She was brave and saved the day. Hooray for Kay! Hooray! Hooray! Away she went on holiday. Okay, friends, did you enjoy the story? I have some questions for you. Why was Little Kay at the train? And where was she going? What was causing the train to run away? And share your answers with me. This is Khala Mohammed Anis. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in another video. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.